Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to fix your locked Snapchat account. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Google on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar and type in Snapchat support. Select My Snapchat account is locked. This will direct you to a new page. Scroll down a bit and select My account was temporarily locked. Now simply click on here, which is underlined and written in a blue letter. Now all you have to do is log into your Snapchat account. First, go ahead and enter your username or email. Once you're done, tap on Next. Enter your Snapchat password. Tap on Next. Once you're logged in, tap on Open in Snapchat at the bottom of your screen. You now should be able to log back to your Snapchat account. And that's it. This is how you fix locked Snapchat account. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.